on Saturday, Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia passed away. So, to honor him, I will read you some of his quotes.
State laws not only provided for the removal of unwanted immigrants, but also imposed penalties on unlawfully present aliens and those who aided their immigration. I told you before, I'm not a scientist. That's why I don't want to have to deal with global warming, to tell you the truth. There are those who contend that it does not benefit African Americans to get them into the University of Texas, where they do not do well, as opposed to having them go to a less advanced school, a slower track school, where they do well. If we cannot have moral feelings against homosexuality, can we have it against murder? Can we have it against other things? I'm surprised you aren't persuaded.
In other words, you should have the same kind of moral objection that you have to murder that you have to gay marriage. So yeah, he's a scumbag, and he doesn't really deserve to be honored. But his death is important, because the way the Constitution is written, the President gets to pick the next Supreme Court Justice, and the Senate gets to confirm him. So Barack Obama, being a rational human being, will likely pick a Democrat. And the Republicans who control the Senate, being the Republicans, will likely do everything they can to block him. And they will continue to block him all the way to the next election, in the hopes that a Republican politician will become the next president.
When Mexico sends its people, they're not sending their best. They're not sending you. They're not sending you. They're sending people that have lots of problems, and they're bringing those problems with us. They're bringing drugs, they're bringing crime, they're rapists, and some, I assume, are good people.
And what my legislation would do is suspend all refugees for 3 years from countries where ISIS or al-Qaeda control substantial territory.
For most of his life, his policies have been very, very liberal. For most of his life, he has described himself as very pro-choice and as a supporter of partial birth abortion. Right now, today, as a candidate, he supports federal taxpayer funding for Planned Parenthood. I disagree with him on that. That's a matter of principle, and I'll tell you.
You are the single biggest liar. You probably are worse than Jeb Bush. You are the single biggest liar.
Marco went on Univision in Spanish and said he would not rescind President Obama's illegal executive amnesty on his first day in office. I have promised to rescind every single illegal executive action, including that one. And on the question,
very quickly.
Well, first of all, I don't know how he knows what I said on Univision because he doesn't speak Spanish. And second of all, the other point that I would make...
Marco, si quieres, díselo ahora mismo, díselo ahora. En español, si quieres.
This is a disturbing pattern now, because for a number of weeks now, Ted Cruz has just been telling lies. Right. He lied about Ben Carson in Iowa. He lies about Planned Parenthood. He lies about marriage. He's lying about all sorts of things, and now he makes things up. The bottom line is this is a campaign, and people are watching it, and they see the truth behind all these issues. And here's the truth. Ted Cruz supported legalizing people that were in this country illegally,
simply,
and only now does he say he will.
Yeah, so that's probably not going to happen. So basically, you really got two choices for president in 2016. You got Hillary Clinton and you got Bernie Sanders. And basically, they're going to get to pick the next Supreme Court justice. And here's why that's important. Before Antonin Scalia's death, there were 5 conservatives on the Supreme Court and 4 liberals. With Antonin Scalia gone, it's a 4-4 tie. So whoever's the next Supreme Court justice will decide whether the Supreme Court will have a more conservative bias or a more liberal bias.